Here's the first video, stock flame wheel 450 with a V2 controller. The motors will not start. We get the happy sound. We'll wait for it to initialize. There's the first 20 blinks. The second 20 blinks. And do the control stick down and centered, apart and centered. Note that the green light flashes on when I do that. Or up and away. Don't get anything there. Together and away. Okay, I now have the V2 Assistant hooked up. We are running version 2.2, and we have 4.2 in the controller. Sticks completely centered. There we have the four greens right there. As far as the limits, bottom left, bottom right, top left, bottom left, bottom right, top right, top left. I've gone through the calibration a couple different times. We have IOC, the mode, attitude, GPS, manual, and we have IOC there. Gains 130%, pitch and roll 100% yaw, 130% vertical. We're in the intelligent cutoff type. And claiming no calibration is needed. I've gone through the RC stick calibration several times, no effect. Thank you. Oh, one more thing. I also went into the motor test, set up, made sure that the motors are still working through here. Motors are clicking over, going in the right directions. Thanks.